Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate or an active trial tied to your Microsoft account because that unlocks cloud streaming. Once done, connect your mobile to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi or strong mobile data. Latency matters. Next, install the Xbox Game Pass app on Android or iOS or open Xbox. com/play in Safari or Chrome. Sign in with the same Microsoft account. This links your subscriptions and game saves. Now you connect your controller and optimize settings. Pair an Xbox wireless or other Bluetooth controller through your phone's Bluetooth menu. Make sure firmware is current for best responsiveness. In the app or browser, choose streaming quality. Lower settings reduce stutter but cost fidelity, so pick a balance for your network. Also, enable background app refresh and give the Game Pass app priority by closing bandwidth-hungry apps. These steps reduce input lag and maintain a consistent stream during gameplay. Finally, launch a cloud game from the library and follow the on-screen controls. You can use touch for supported titles, but a controller gives the best experience. If you see stutter or disconnects, lower streaming resolution to 720p, move nearer to the router, or switch to a wired connection using a USB adapter for reliability. If the game won't start, sign out and back in, restart the app, or reset your phone's network. These fixes resolve most authentication, controller pairing, or streaming hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.